Meaning of jealously.
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 Jealously. Jealousy is an emotion that is typically characterized by feelings of resentment, insecurity, and fear in response to a perceived threat to an existing relationship or perceived loss of something desirable. It often involves a sense of possessiveness or a fear of being replaced. For example, if a person is jealous of their partner spending time with someone else, they may feel anxious, threatened, or even angry. Jealousy can arise in various contexts, including romantic relationships, friendships, and professional situations. It is important to manage jealousy in a healthy way to avoid damaging relationships and personal well-being.